Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second video on my channel, and thank you again for watching the first video. I hope that it goes above 500 views because I'll be sharing more content on this channel, and it's gonna be epic. And I hope that it's going to help you in your trading journey, make something out of trading. So in today's video, I'll just be going through the trade that I took on USD CAD today. So let's get down to it. Let me not waste your time. So right here, guys, we have a strong trend to the downside, right? Before the market could even create this low, it was moving to the downside. Then it started ranging. When it ranges like this, it creates liquidity below. One way or the other, the market has to come back down, grab that liquidity, and then continue to the upside. And so when it does that, obviously it will grab that liquidity, come back down, and go back up to grab that buy side liquidity as well. This is where the sell side liquidity lies. This is where the buy side liquidity lies, right? So as soon as the market grabbed the sell side liquidity, it came back up to grab the buy side liquidity, and it broke above, right? So as soon as it broke above, I marked it as a change of character, meaning that there is a possibility that I'll be soon looking for buy setups. Okay, so right here we have a low, then we have a high. Okay, so the market creates a low, and then after breaking that high, this will be classified as our higher low, right? Meaning that even if price does come back to an area somewhere around here, it does not have to break below this higher low. Meaning that all you have to do, you have to identify a point of interest. It can either be a demand zone or it can be an order block. Okay, so and right here myself, I identified my demand zone, of which it played out well, but I missed the first entry. I missed the first entry here, and I got the second one, and I'm going to explain on how I got the second one. Okay, so the market created a high here, and of which was my target. And right here we have a buy side liquidity, a trend line liquidity. It was first grabbed, but the reason why I took my second buy was because right here there was a low which was taken out, meaning that the market had to activate the sell stops, and above those sell stops there will be tons and tons of liquidity, of which the market did grab, right? It did grab that liquidity, came back down to test this demand zone which I identified on the 30-minute time frame, right? So as soon as the market took or grabbed the liquidity above this trend line, it only grabbed for about 20 to 30% of that liquidity, and then came back down to retest or mitigate that demand zone. Then it did what? Continued going up to grab more liquidity, at least let's say 90% of the trend line liquidity. It did grab it successfully, and that's how I was able to capitalize on taking the trade on USD CAD today. And I think I closed my profit somewhere around here, because this is the overall imbalance which was filled. And as soon as I realized that the market is starting to come back down, that's when I closed all my profits. and I got out of the market. So if you find this video useful, guys, please do leave your comment. Do like the video. If you have any questions, leave your comments and I'll answer them, or just DM me on Instagram and I'll be glad to answer all your questions, assist where I can. If you would like to join my team, do DM and we'll see what we can do. Thanks, and thank you for watching. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, since we have about 415 subscribers, and the first video that I took has about 127 views, which it's something because I just posted it 2 days ago. Thank you for watching, and I think I'll be posting more videos from next week. The second video is going to be on supply and demand, how to identify and capitalize your entries on supply and demand. More and more will be posted on liquidity, on imbalances, a lot of other things that I think you will find useful. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts. Okay, so on the next slides, I have screenshots before and after, and then a proof of entry for my trade on USD CAD.